Tired of traditional banks and their endless fees, slow transfers, and clunky interfaces? Do you ever wish there was a simpler, faster, and more rewarding way to manage your everyday money, especially when it comes to sending and receiving funds? If you found yourself nodding along, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a game-changing combination that's transforming how Canadians handle their finances: Interac e-transfer with Wealthsimple Cash. For years, Interac e-transfer has been the gold standard for sending money quickly and securely between Canadian bank accounts. It's convenient, widely accepted, and has become an indispensable tool in our financial lives. But let's be honest, the experience can still vary wildly depending on your financial institution. Some banks charge fees, others have lower limits, and sometimes, even with auto deposit, there's a slight delay. Enter Wealthsimple Cash. This isn't just another digital wallet, it's a full-fledged checking account designed to disrupt the old way of banking. Imagine a checking account with no monthly fees, high interest earnings on your balance, and seamless integration with your investments. Sounds good, right? But what truly elevates Wealthsimple Cash is its powerful and enhanced integration with Interac e-transfer. This combination isn't just about moving money, it's about optimizing your financial flow, saving you money, and giving you more control and visibility over your funds. We're talking about near-instant transfers, higher limits for qualifying clients, and the sheer simplicity of managing everything within one intuitive app. So, if you're still using a traditional bank for your Interac e-transfers and are curious about what you might be missing out on, stick around. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from the basics of sending and receiving money, to the hidden benefits, security features, and how Wealthsimple Cash takes the Interac e-transfer experience to a whole new level. Let's get started and uncover how you can make your money work harder and smarter with Interac e-transfer and Wealthsimple Cash. First things first, what exactly is Interac e-transfer, and how does it generally work? At its core, Interac e-transfer is a secure way to send money directly from one bank account to another in Canada, using only an email address or a phone number. The money never travels by email or text. Instead, the notification simply contains a secure link that allows the recipient to deposit the funds into their chosen bank account. This eliminates the need to share sensitive banking information, adding a layer of security. When you send an Interac e-transfer, your bank holds the funds, and the recipient gets a notification. They then log into their online banking or banking app, answer a security question, unless auto deposit is set up, and the funds are deposited. It's simple, effective, and widely adopted across Canada. Now, let's talk about Wealthsimple Cash and how it integrates with this established system. Wealthsimple Cash isn't just compatible with Interac e-transfer, it actively enhances the experience. When you set up a Wealthsimple Cash account, you gain access to a checking account that offers fee-free Interac e-transfers. This means no more worrying about those pesky $1.50 or $2 fees that some traditional banks still charge for every transfer you send. Over time, those small fees add up, and with Wealthsimple Cash, they simply disappear. One of the most significant advantages of using Interac e-transfer with Wealthsimple Cash is the potential for faster settlement times. While Interac e-transfers are generally quick, they can sometimes take up to 30 minutes, or even longer in rare cases, depending on the participating financial institutions. However, Wealthsimple, having secured direct access to the Interac e-transfer system as a participant, is often able to offer near-instant settlements. This means that money sent to or from your Wealthsimple Cash account via Interac e-transfer can arrive almost immediately, giving you quicker access to your funds. This near-instant aspect is a significant upgrade for anyone who relies on timely money transfers. Let's walk through the process of sending money with Interac e-transfer from your Wealthsimple Cash account. It's incredibly straightforward and designed for ease of use within the Wealthsimple app. You'll typically navigate to your checking account, select the Interac e-transfer option, and then choose to send money. From there, you can select an existing contact or add a new one using their email address or phone number. If your recipient has auto deposit set up, the funds will go directly into their account without needing a security question. If not, you'll be prompted to create a security question and answer, which you'll need to share with the recipient separately and securely. You enter the amount, add an optional message, review the details, and confirm. The process is intuitive and streamlined, mirroring the best practices of modern banking apps. Receiving money is just as simple. If you have auto deposit set up with your Wealthsimple Cash account, any Interac e-transfer sent to your registered email or phone number will be automatically deposited directly into your Wealthsimple Cash account. No security questions, no extra steps, just automatic deposits. This is a massive convenience, especially for recurring payments or if you receive money from multiple sources. If auto deposit isn't enabled for the sender, you'll receive the standard Interac e-transfer email or text. Click the link, select Wealthsimple as your financial institution, answer the security question, and the funds will be transferred. Beyond the speed and lack of fees, let's talk about transaction limits. This is where Wealthsimple Cash can be a significant upgrade for many users. While individual limits can vary based on your client status and other factors, Wealthsimple states that qualifying clients can send and receive Interac e-transfers of up to $25,000 per day. Compared to the often lower limits of traditional banks, which can be as low as $3,000 to $10,000 per day for sending, this higher threshold provides much more flexibility for larger transactions. Whether you're paying rent, settling up with friends for a big purchase, or moving funds for other personal reasons. Always check your specific limits within the Wealthsimple app, as these can be personalized. Now, let's address the ever-important topic of security. When it comes to your money, security is paramount. Interac e-transfer itself is built with robust security features, including encryption and secure login protocols. Wealthsimple adds to this with its own layers of security. Your Wealthsimple Cash account is protected by industry-standard encryption, multi-factor authentication, and robust fraud detection systems. Wealthsimple is also a member of Payments Canada, which means they adhere to strict regulatory requirements. Furthermore, eligible deposits in your Wealthsimple Cash account are CDIC insured up to $1 million. That's significantly more than the standard $100,000 offered by most traditional banks. This increased coverage provides an extra layer of peace of mind, knowing your funds are well protected. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.